Hello guys, welcome again to my channel. Today let's solve this math challenge which read t to the power of t to the power of 3 is equals to root of 2. We are looking for the possible value of t. So if you are new here, please click on the subscription button and don't forget to hit on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop new videos on mathematics. So let's solve this challenge. It's an interesting challenge. So let's solve. So say solution. Okay. So since we're having this challenge, we're going to say t to the power of t to the power of 3 is equals to the root of 2. Okay. If we are to solve this challenge, the first thing we are going to do is to multiply both sides of the equation by the natural log, which is your ln. Okay, if we should do that, we are going to have this, which implies we are going to have ln, okay, of t to the power of t to the power of 3, okay, is equals to ln of root of 2. Okay, having done this, so what then is the next step? From here, we are going to apply the logarithm rule, which says we are having ln of a to the power of a. We are going to take the power of a to the back side, so this will be coming to the back. So if we do this, we are going to have t to the power of 3 ln of t. Okay, t to the power of 3 of ln of t is equals to ln of root 2. Okay, having done this, what are we going to do again? So we are going to rewrite this other side again. We are going to rewrite this other side, but before we rewrite this other side, I'm going to show you a rule which says if we are having a is equals to exponential ln a, because this exponent will cancel this ln, so we are returning back to a. So if we put this through at this t to the power of 3, we are going to have this to be which implies we are going to have this to be exponent of ln of t to the power of 3 times ln of t, okay, which is equals to ln of root 2. So this is what we are now having. So if we should write the whole of this at this other side, we are going to have exponent of ln of t to the power of 3 times ln of t is equals to ln root 2. So this is what we are now having. So what are we simply going to do again? So here we'll simply bring this to the back. So we are now going to have exponent 3 ln of t times ln of t is equals to ln root 2. Okay, so this is what we are now having. So this we can rearrange. Remember, if we have a times b is also equals to b times a. So if we put this basic rule here, we have this to be ln of t, okay, times exponent of 3 ln t is equals to ln root 2. Okay, so this is what we are now having. So since we are having this, we want to apply the Lambert W function. At this point. If we are to apply the Lambert W function, remember the Lambert W function rule says we are having a times exponential a is also equals to a. If you take the Lambert W function of it, take the Lambert W function of a exponential a is equals to a. So, but if we look at this, we are having ln of t times exponential 3 ln of t equals to ln of root 2. So in other words, we are having 3 at this back, but we are not having 3 at this back. So what are we simply going to do is to multiply both sides of the equation by 3. So if we should do that, we're having 3, okay, ln of t times exponential 3 ln of t is equals to 3 ln root 2. Okay, so this is what we are not having. This is what we are not having, rather. This is what we are not having. Okay, haven't done this, what then is the next step? What then is the next step? So the next step we are going to take is to take the Lambda doublet function of both sides. So we'll take the Lambda doublet function of 3, okay, ln of t times exponential 3 ln of t, okay, close bracket, is equals to 3. I will take the Lambda doublet function also, the Lambda doublet function of 3 ln of root 2. Okay, so this is what we are not having. So if we should take the Lambda doublet function of the whole of this, remember we say if we are having a exponential a, take the Lambda doublet function of it, is also equals to a. So if we use this rule here, we are likely going to have 3 ln of t. So we are going to have 3 ln of t, okay, ln of t is equals to Lambda doublet function into 3 ln of root 2. Okay, so this is what we are not having. So if we should come here to solve further, okay, come here to solve further. So we are not having 3 ln of t is equals to Lambda doublet function into 3 ln of root 2. Okay, this is what we are not having. So we want to make ln of t to stand on its own. So we'll divide both sides by 3. So if we should do that, we're simply going to have ln of t, okay, is equals to the Lambda doublet function into 3, okay, ln of root 2, okay, over 3. Okay, so having done this, so we are now having ln of t, but we are looking for t, the value of t. So if we want to get the value of t, we'll take exponent of both sides. So if we take exponent of both sides, we take exponent of ln of t is equals to exponent of w into 3 ln of root 2, okay, ln of root 2 over 3. So from here we're having exponent of ln of t is equals to exponent of Lambda doublet function into 3 ln of root 2 over 3. So I will bring you back to this rule which says if we are having, I'll bring you back to this rule which says if we are having this rule which says a is equals to exponent of ln of a, right? So for this rule says if we are having a is also equals to exponent of ln a. If we put this rule here, we are having exponent of ln t. So exponent of ln t is exponent of ln t is also equals to t. So therefore we can say our t is equals to exponent of Lambda doublet function into 3 ln root 2, okay, over 3. So this is the value of t. So if you find this video useful and interesting, please click on the subscription button and turn on the notification bell. So this is our value for t. So if we substitute this value of t into our question, you are going to see that you are going to have the root of 2. So if you do that, please drop that on the comment section below. Please don't forget to hit on the top some button and subscribe to this channel because it helps the channel to grow faster and also encourages us to upload more maths challenge. I love you, this channel loves you, and thank you for watching this video. And please don't forget to put your comments on the comment section below. If you find it useful and understanding, please do well to write something on the comments. And if you find something confusing, also do well to write something on the comments. See you in my next video, in my next math challenge. The next math challenge I'm going to release is going to be awesome, because I've been planning this math challenge for the past 2 weeks now, and it's very, very challenging. It takes me 2 weeks to solve it, and since I've solved it, I've decided to share the idea. Bye bye. Thank you.